Hello guys, I'm happy to see you again. Today we will cook chicken with potatoes. Sorry, I don't say that very good. I say potatoes, but it's like potatoes, something like this. Sorry, so you understand. With cream and I think it's chestnut. Yeah, chestnut. Very good meal and easy. Let's go. So in first, I will tell you what you need. So you need chicken, of course, onion, potatoes, cream, garlic, and of course the chestnut. So in first you need to clean the potato. Perfect. It's terrible because today it's very hot in France. Really like wait. Like 40 degrees Celsius. It's crazy. And I go to holidays in 3 days, so you will wait 2 weeks for my next video. I'm sorry. I need to relax. I hope that you go in holidays too, because it's very important to relax, to rest, to go to the pool. Okay. So I will cook the the potatoes in the steam. So you just need to add some water. I have this. So I cut into. So 15 minutes steam. I don't know where is mine. It's here. Perfect. Okay, so now we will prepare the onion. So if you want to know where I go to Punta Cana. I'm very happy I go with the friends. You can see on my story in Instagram. I will share with you. So for the onion, it's good. This is the chestnut. So you cut a little. It's already cooked, okay? You need to buy a chestnut cook because I don't know how to cook this honestly. Oh my god, my eyes. And after I will cut the chicken when it will be cooked. So I will show you. Don't worry. So when you cook this, you can cut the chicken. You can add the garlic now. Okay, so after 5 minutes, sorry, you can add some spice, like sweet spice, and the can cover for 15 minutes. Where is my... Here. Okay, so after 15 minutes is done for the chicken, and now I will mix the potatoes. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now it's done. It's perfect.